Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel in which I will tell you about how to donate a car in MA. So we go to the Google Chrome and see this website and search donate a car in MA. So you open car donation in Massachusetts. The state of Massachusetts has significantly impacted our nation's history. As a resident, you can also have a meaningful impact on the area when you donate cars in Massachusetts. Maybe vehicle donation does not seem like a big deal, but it can change the future for disadvantaged citizens in your state by giving them new opportunities. Through goodwill car donation in Massachusetts, the proceeds from your donation will go toward our community program that give people job training and work opportunity. When you donate car in Massachusetts, you help change people's lives, and in this process will help improve economy in our state. Donating a car in Massachusetts will only take a few minutes of your time through our trustworthy and widely known as charity. Get rid of your old vehicle. It can be difficult and inconvenient to get rid of a vehicle that you no longer need or warrant. The selling process is complicated and time consuming. You might have a vehicle that does not work very well or does not even run. In that case, it could take a significant amount of money to get the vehicle in good enough shape to sell. Every moment the vehicle spent sitting on your lawn or in your garage is money you are spending on insurance and registration instead of having the car take space and money. Think about donating it. For the best car donation in Massachusetts gives to Goodwill Car Donation. We make the Massachusetts car donation process incredibly easy, so you will find it a welcome alternative to repair, selling or trading your vehicle. What's more, we don't only take an old clunker car, we take car in any condition ranging from not running to high-end cars in top condition. Beyond cars, we will gladly accept a long list of vehicle types including trucks, vans, SUVs, motorcycles, jet skis, planes, boats and even mobile home. How to donate cars in Massachusetts. Vehicle donation in Massachusetts is a breeze. Worldwide car donation. That's because we take care of most of work ourselves. Simply contact us through our website donation form by calling these numbers. Schedule a date and time when it's best for us to get the vehicle. We send our team to haul it away at no charge to you, and you can cancel the vehicle's insurance and registration. Finally, we sell the vehicle and use the profits towards our programs for the citizens in Boston, Worcester, Springfield, and other areas throughout the state. We will even send you the receipt. You can use our taxis for credit. Help people throughout the old colony state while getting rid of unneeded vehicles. Contact us to get started with the best car donation in Massachusetts. Thanks for watching my videos.